Ooh. Titration at its best.
Let's die.
Let's go.
Just want to die.
Jake, you're doing an excellent job.
It's not even pink no more. It ran out.
It is pink. Look. I can still see a pink flash. Jake is getting hers going.
And I've seen sometimes, and I've done it this way, you can take the handle and give it a quick spin so that it just shoots out a little bit.
Little spurt.
Just a little like, but you gotta be careful because you
it's
gotta make
still
sure that your
definitely-
wrist is controlling that you don't put too much in.
We got a good pink flash going on. Oh, there it goes away though.
Because it's not dripping no more. Hardly. I'm gonna try to get. Oh.
There you go. This is goodness.
So I'm waiting for it to
You
turn
might get a
pink
better
and stay
angle from
pink.
where I'm at. You want it to stay slight pink. If it's too dark a pink, you put too much in there, but it probably won't hurt your answer that much. But you don't want it to turn like real pink and slight.
It's still pink. Ours is getting to be a good bit pink. Is that a good thing or bad
Whoa,
thing?
it's getting super
You
pink.
might want to turn it off.
That's
Yeah.
what I
Yeah.
I
Ah.
think maybe
Now give it
maybe
an
we're done.
agitation
Yeah, shake it around,
and
Jace.
see it shake
Listen,
it
let me
up,
tell you.
baby, twist
Shake it,
out.
sucker.
Oh, it went away.
But
so
it went
you can
away,
still
so we
add
can
Should
still
some.
add
I'm
some
gonna do
more.
I'm gonna do a big boop and then I'm out. I'm gonna see if that does it good enough. No.
No, it's pink. I wouldn't add any
Yeah,
more.
do
Just
it. Wait. Yeah, don't add anything just yet. It's still pink. It's
go
working.
ahead and agitate it.
Here, just for a second.
Because when it stays, it won't matter if you agitate or not, it'll stay.
Okay. And then it's
Still
gone.
white.
You're getting there.
I'm just gonna get the drip.
Okay, at this point, I'd turn it off because believe it or not, one
That's
drop
a
can
lot.
make.
That's a lot of pink.
See,
all
you're
of a
probably
sudden.
not going to go back to clear at this point.
Yeah, I think we just did. I think we just hit our magical.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's probably.
What in the world?
That is
Why?
over-titration, which is not a huge deal because your answer probably will still be pretty good. But let's see
That's
your
crazy.
challenger if she can get it to be lighter pink.
Jack is like, oh.
I can't believe that.
She's
I mean,
going way
it was
slow.
not. It was completely clear
And
after
and
we
then all of a
after
sudden-
we've used all of that, and then that one little
So
2 drips.
at
too
least
much.
you know, Jerrica, when you start getting down close to 36 and 37, your reaction's gonna be close to being done.
And y'all, that's not bad. I've seen pinker than that.
Well, it's fixing to. It's
So y'all
it's
not.
still
That's
dripping a
not
little
too
bit.
bad.
It's still dripping a little bit.
Yeah, we want to stop it. So since you guys have reached your stopping point, obviously, take the volume that it used. So go ahead and get it eye level and see how much you use.
We're at about 37 and a half.
So you'll wanna record
37.
that.
Minus. Oh, no,
It's 37
zero. It's
because
just
it goes
37,
backwards.
yeah.
It goes
it's
from
actually
0 and then it
Going
starts
down,
going
so
down.
it is 37.
Yeah.
So we use 37. Okay.
I think
so
there's a spot to record it on here.
Okay.
And then shoot
we'll
that.
sit down.
I always love the titration lab.
That
It
was
seems like
bananas.
it's everyone loves to do those.
Yeah, that was wild. I'll go ahead and say it now.
Getting really close, Jerrica.
I know I am.
Like super close.
Well, it's
See, now
out of,
she knows.
Yeah,
she has an
she
advantage
knows.
because she knows about what
Yeah.
it takes
Yeah.
and
Yep.
it's out
like,
of left field. It's crazy. It's just out of nowhere. It's completely pink.
Here,
After it kept on going.
and sometimes it's just a matter of 2 drops too many.
Yeah,
So
that-
that's why I say it's not really going to hurt your answer because
No.
those 2 drops aren't going to really be a huge
Killer.
volume
Ain't gonna be a
difference.
killer.
Whoa.
That was
Whoa.
That's
Whoa.
not enough.
That's still not. You
Okay.
still
I'll
just
tell you-
just
I'll
drip
tell
it
you
from
what.
now on, Jerrica. We got this. Drip.
Oh, goodness.
What number are you at, Jerrica?
She's
I don't
close
know.
to where the first one
I can
was.
tell that it's very close to ours.
Keep going. We're almost there.
I'm talking like right now.
Okay, stop it. Yeah. Let's see if we.
Get like a regular drip.
Nope.
It is supposed to be such a light pink color that you need the white paper under it practically
To
to
tell?
see it. Yes.
Okay.
One solid spout will be good.
So Samantha, your husband would be an expert at this then.
Yeah, he's pretty good at this.
He'd probably, yeah, he'd have it whooped out already and already be writing his answer down.
Probably.
Oh,
That was
yeah,
too
the
much.
solution is such a
No, it's
terrible
not.
Okay,
thing.
wait
No, it's
though.
not.
We're there. We hadn't done it yet, Jerrica. It's
It still went clear, so we still
Still
got
clear.
some unreacted acid.
okay. Tiny, 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 tiny.
Sometimes you can even rinse a half, like if you have a drop hovering, you can
Okay,
rinse
it's dropping.
off.
Okay. I think we're there.
Yeah, I'll take
It's
it.
not really going anywhere.
Mm.
Oh, it disappeared. I can't believe that.
Aw.
I can't believe it. All right, you're dropping. There we go.
And it may be a matter of one or
That's
two more
it.
drops.
I think that's it.
Yeah. And that's what's fun
Oh, I
about
can't
it. It doesn't
believe that
take much.
disappeared. I cannot. Oh wait,
Wait a minute, I see
I started to say wait. I saw a
see
pink, a flash of pink still. Okay, like 2 more drops, Jerrica.
It's like easier said than done. You get
There's
just 2
one.
drops to come out.
There's 2.
Can you believe that? Oh my.
Okay, there's 1 drop waiting, or so.
Like I said, you could even rinse a drop off with your water spout if you wanted to.
There we
If you really felt like
Surely
you just need
that's
a half
it.
a drop.
I think it is.
That's got to be it.
That is it.
Light pink. Oh no!
It went away.
I can't believe
Believe
this.
that.
I cannot
Is
believe
it-
this.
6:36. I thought
You're
it said
under
60.
us.
We're at
37.
37 and
So
ours
it's
is
somewhere
done.
between what she's got right now and what y'all got, because
Yeah.
y'all's is a little bit too pink, but
Well, she's got more than us.
less.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, less.
Yeah,
By about a
that's
million.
it. That's probably gonna be it.
I think it is.
Yeah, that is pretty light
It's turned light.
compared to ours. Yeah, look
Oh,
at that.
it is.
See how the difference
Look
that
at it
you
goes.
need the paper practically.
I don't know though.
Oh,
It's
wait, it wa-
clear now. It's clear.
It's slight,
It's
maybe
still
slight.
it's clear. It's
I would
gone.
rinse
I think
off
it's
a half of a
clear.
drop. Like take your water bottle and actually squeeze it on your.
Wait, what?
Like you can actually go like this and go, hey, how about if I just had a half a drop more?
Oh.
See?
I don't know. I think you looked clear
I think
again.
We're clear
Oh, for
again.
heaven's sakes. Well,
For
maybe
heaven's
one more
sakes.
drop.
It's true.
One more whole drop.
I wouldn't do too much because you're getting almost to where we are.
Yeah, I would say
Okay.
a drop or 2.
Dripping yet?
Not yet.
Tap it.
Not yet.
Tap it with the Erlenmeyer. I know that didn't work.
Oh my.
That didn't do it.
He's not doing it yet.
Must have not been hovering.
There
on
he
the edge.
is.
There's 1 drop.
Get one more, I think.
Yeah, I think that's pretty.
See, yeah, just
I think that's it. I think that 1 drop did it.
I think it did.
and you can always raise your thing up higher and really give it a nice.
Oh,
in,
it looked like it's going away.
I still kind of see
I kinda
it.
feel-
It's still
See pink.
it's slightly pink. to me.
It's
like
very
a,
slightly
It is
pink.
pink.
like a tiny slight bit pink. Like
And that's
just
kind of what you. That's really almost like all you want. Is
just the tiniest.
just the tiniest amount.
Okay. Gotta look at ours over here. Jake.
Yeah, ours is 4.
I don't know. It's clear.
I don't know.
now.
It looks clear
It's
again.
gone clear again. It's gone absolutely clear again.
Yeah, I
I'd
think it
give it a
has.
good.
So,
Alright,
another one.
One half of a drop.
Yeah, I'd give it a good drop.
And see what you can always do, like I
I'll
said,
give
is
it 2
rinse that
drops.
drop off. If it's hovering, you can rinse it.
I don't think it is hovering.
It's
no,
not.
it's not.
No hoverage.
I've made this. It's an 8-minute video of us titrating.
Your husband's gonna laugh at you. He's gonna say 8 minutes. So it took you 8 minutes.
Oh,
I bet you.
that's got to be it. And there's 1 hovering. If you,
Knock that hover in.
I don't know.
Splash
gonna
it
knock
in.
you.
It's gonna have to be put in there. Anyways. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, because it's still gonna count on your volume anyway. Because it's.
And that water
'cause it's
will
out.
help it.
I think.
I think we're done it. We're done.
I'm thinking that's gonna be. And so, believe it or not, some scientists even get lighter than that.
I'm sure they do.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I've had students that have actually
get like
got it
a half
lighter,
a
but
drop.
not meaning that that's bad at all. Neither one of y'all's is bad because.
Ours is pretty pink.
I want to put some more in there. I want to see how pink it can get.
Oh, it can get very bright pink. It gets like
Really?
a deep pink.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
it does.
Cool. All right, y'all. We did it.